This is gonna be loud. Crap. Sully, heads up!
What the hell happened?
Sorry, the handle broke.
Yeah. Try not to drop anything else in my head, all right?
I'm gonna have to ring it myself. Here we go. Go, climb. Gotta get up. Holy shit.